Why every Uber and Lyft driver needs a dashcam. Ride-sharing is a cultural phenomenon, and one of the primary uses of ride-sharing services, such as Uber or Lyft, is to be a comfortable and convenient alternative to taxi or transit service, while remaining both hassle-free and welcoming. Ride-sharing services are an excellent alternative source of income for drivers. That being said, anytime you're allowing a stranger into your vehicle, many problems could occur. As an Uber or Lyft driver, you need a way to have your eyes on the passenger at all times, not only to protect your vehicle, but to keep yourself safe and ensure a smooth and comfortable ride for everybody on board. Any responsible business has security cameras to monitor and watch over their store. Your vehicle should be the same. If you're driving for Uber or Lyft without proper passenger management tools, you're putting your property and yourself at risk. Dashcams are designed to be a vehicle security system. If an accident occurs, you can feel secure knowing that the truth behind any accident is recorded and saved for viewing. However, as a rideshare worker, you also have to consider the inside of your vehicle. Make sure your dashcam records on the inside and the outside of your vehicle. Many dashcam manufacturers offer what we call a 2-channel option, which utilizes 2 individual cameras that work in conjunction with one another. One records out the front window, while the second is mounted inside the vehicle. Traditionally, these 2-channel cameras are meant to record out the rear of the vehicle to offer security and evidence for rear-end collisions. However, for an Uber and Lyft driver, these cameras can become your passenger monitoring device. Make sure your rear-facing camera includes infrared, so it won't miss any suspicious activity happening in the back seats of your vehicle. Unfortunately, you can take extra precautions but still not be 100% sure about anybody that's stepping into your vehicle. The best you can do is be kind, professional, and most importantly, prepared to deal with any unexpected customer behavior. Uber and Lyft dashcam policy. As with many businesses, there are some regulations these ride-sharing companies have listed to ensure safety for both the rider and the passenger. Uber allows driver partners to install and use video cameras to record riders for purposes of safety. Please note that the local regulations may require individuals using recording equipment in vehicles to fully disclose to riders that they're being recorded in or around a vehicle and obtain consent. Check local regulations in your city to determine if these apply. Lyft. While they don't have an official statement on their website about dashcams, they do encourage their drivers to be safe. Again, it's probably just best to heed the advice from the Uber statement. Check with local regulations to ensure that you're correctly notifying the passenger if required by law in your state. At BlackboxMyCar, we understand the specific needs that rideshare workers have for each of their dashcams and offer a selection of the best rideshare dashcam bundles that you can purchase. In our Rideshare Bundles, you get a hardwiring kit, 2 added fuses, a trim tool, a BlackboxMyCar surveillance sticker, a free micro SD card for recording, as well as a rear infrared camera for a 2-channel setup. We recommend picking up the Cellink Neo battery pack option when selecting a rideshare bundle, as it will power your dashcam for longer recordings in parking mode without draining your vehicle's battery extensively. First up, we have the Thinkware X550 Rideshare Bundle. With full HD front and rear recording, an LCD display for live viewing your angle, built-in GPS for speed stamp, location, and helpful ADAS driving features, the Thinkware X550 2-channel is a great setup for an Uber and Lyft driver who's looking for peace of mind and quality recordings. Let's not forget parking mode with motion detection and time-lapse options, perfect for recording your interior and exterior while parked or away from the vehicle. The X550 also has low power consumption in the parking mode, so it can run for a long time. Next up, we have the Thinkware F770 2-channel infrared bundle, which in many ways is identical to the X550 2-channel infrared bundle. But the form factor is the biggest difference here. Instead of an LCD display on the back, you get the F770, which is more inconspicuous with a slimmer profile, which lays flat against the windshield, as opposed to being mounted onto the windshield. It also has built-in Wi-Fi for footage review on the fly, and of course you can customize settings using the smartphone app. The F770 bundle is great for those who are looking for a sleek, yet functional setup in their ride-sharing vehicle. Next up is our Gold Rideshare Bundle, featuring the BlackVue DR650S 2-channel infrared setup. It is a great choice for those who are interested in cabin recording, as the RC100 infrared camera is amazing at capturing every detail, even in the dark. With Wi-Fi, GPS, 128GB of micro SD card support, as well as parking mode, The DR650S 2-channel infrared setup is an excellent all-rounder with amazing capability. Last but not least, our Platinum Rideshare Bundle. This features the DR650S 2CH infrared bundle, as well as a single-channel DR750S DASHCAM. We put together this bundle for a driver who's looking for a parking mode-enabled setup with front, rear, and interior cabin recording. This bundle includes all the goodies, such as a circuit tester, 2 32GB microSD cards, and a bonus 16GB SD card, as well as a 2 feet 60cm coaxial cable for the rear camera, a trim tool for installation, surveillance stickers, a cigarette splitter for dual dashcam input, a PowerMagic Pro, or a Cellink B and Neo battery pack for extended parking mode recording. Using the DR650S 2CH infrared setup as your primary recording option, the front camera is mounted to the windshield, while the infrared rear camera faces into the cabin in order to capture all the detail. The DR750S 1-channel camera will offer excellent rear recording, which gives you a complete package of interior-exterior coverage while remaining discreet and safely protected while driving or parked. Everyday driving can prove a dangerous situation wherever you go, and having a dashcam will give you the peace of mind that a silent witness is always watching and recording in case of an accident. As an Uber and Lyft driver, it is imperative that you would value your own safety as well as the safety of your passengers. So we recommend picking up a dashcam rideshare bundle from our website so you're set to go. From night vision technology to dashcam protected stickers, we have anything you may need to outfit your Uber or Lyft vehicle.
Thank you for watching our video here at BlackboxMyCar. We strive for the best in resources for all of your dashcam needs. Be sure to check us out on social media for updates and contests. Like the video if you do, and subscribe if you want to see more updates on dashcams and related news.